Yeah.
Might be one of the bigger fish in this river. Where'd you hook it?
He's gonna kill me.
Yeah, you got him turned now, dude. All they do is swim against the current with their mouth wide open. All you're doing is fighting his mouth. That might be a good season, Adam. Tell Al what's going on. You.
There's a glare on the water.
Striper fishing, American River style, right here, baby. This is how we do it. Oh, it's right in front of you, dude. Right in front of you. Al, try not to get a glare.
You can't. It's...
Alright, 30 for pulling them like that. Nah.
No, we exaggerated.
Maybe 20.
Alright, start backing up, dude.
You can't not get a glare.
American River style, right here.
Oh, that's a big fish.
Too bad Jared left, huh?
It might go 18, somewhere around there.
That's what I say. Whatever, baby.
Yeah, that's fucking 10 pounds. Look at that fucking...
That's good. Dude, that's freaking 18 if it's 5.
Yeah, that's probably...
That's a 10.
That actually probably go 20.
There's like a glare on the water, but you can see
Crawdad.
it.
That might go 20, huh?